Hello dear customer, this is our QLQ automatic metal zipper topper stock machine by U-shaped topper stock. The output is about 2,500 pieces per hour. This is the whole view of the machine. The length is about 0.8 meter and the width is about 0.8 meter and the height is about 1.7 meter. For this machine, one set machine only used for one side zipper. This machine have one vibrating brake and with two channels. This is the control screen. I will start the machine to show you the working process. You can see the zipper will go through the wheel and go into this bar. The U-shaped topper stock will go through these two channels and fit in here. So let's see the fixing result. You can check the U-shaped topper stock fits in very well.